It's not just a flower, it's a G-Dragon daisy. Now let's twist it before it stings. Please welcome in clown action.
Start by pumping up a 260 white balloon. Leave a 10 centimeter tail. We're going to make a 6-petal flower using this white balloon. Start with 1 loop twist. Pull the knot over to secure it. Then we're going to make 5 more identical petals. Repeat the same process and make another loop twist. Then the third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. And finally the sixth one. As you do this, make sure you adjust the petals to make sure it looks symmetrical. Once that's done, you can pop the remaining bits of the balloon and tie a knot. Now pump up a 260 clear balloon and tie a knot. With this clear balloon, we're going to make the 7th petal. Do the same thing and make a loop twist. Tie a double knot and pop the rest of the balloon. Now tie the 7th petal to the flower you've just made. Make sure it's secure. Now you can adjust it to make sure all the petals look the same size and it fits nicely. Now pump up a 260 yellow balloon for the center of the flower. Using the rounded end of the balloon, form a 3 centimeter bubble and tie it off a knot. Now attach it to the center of the flower you've just made. Since we only need a little bit of the yellow balloon, feel free to use just a scrap balloon. Now pump up a 260 black balloon. We're going to make the stem and the leaves for the flower. start by tying the knot of the black balloon onto the flower. Wrap it around a few times to make sure it doesn't fall apart. Now make a 3 cm bubble and then a pinch twist. This makes sure your flower is pointing the right way. Now make a 6 cm bubble, then 2 pinch twists. Then make 2 6 cm bubbles and fold them around itself. Tie onto the pinch twist you've just made, and now you've made one leaf. Do the exact same thing for the other side to make the other leaf. Now you can pop the excess of the balloon and tie a knot at the bottom. Make sure the pinch twists are below the leaf so that it supports it nicely. And now you're all done.
Wow, it's a balloon G-Dragon Daisy. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.